Is your gold safe? You might think so, but what if I was to tell you that people could spot your stash in seconds? In this video, I'll show you how to keep your gold bars, particularly these on assay cards, hidden in plain sight with some really cool, sleek, minimalistic storage boxes. They're more than just looking cool, they're smart and a secure way of protecting your wealth without drawing attention to it. So stick around, because safeguarding your little gold bars has never looked this good. What am I talking about then? Well, this is what I'm talking about. Bars and a box. Now, I'm not talking about your actual deep stack when you've got loads of stuff and you need to, you need a very secure safe, or you need a safety deposit box, or you've got 3 or 4 locations where you store your silver and gold. What I'm actually talking about is just when you're first starting off, or when you're getting a little collection together. Because let's be honest, if we've just got one bar, you're not going to run down to your safety deposit box or where you've got your safe location just to put one bar in, are you? No, you're going to keep it at home until you've got enough. Now, I think this is where these boxes come into their own, because if you look at that, how cool is that? Absolutely stunning. Now, this was actually 3D printed by a friend of the channel, by Nerd UK, and he's actually on Stackers Social. It's our little Discord group, and he's actually 3D printing these, and just look at it, look how cool these are. And this one is in fact got 31 dividers, which means we can get 31 of these assayed gold bars in. Now, if they're 1 grammers, of course, you'll know what that means. That means we'll have a whole ounce, 1 whole ounce of gold in one box. Now, as I'm saying, where these come into play, you fill this up, and as soon as you've got the whole brick filled up, then you take this and you go and put it in your deep stack, in your safe, in your safety deposit box. But when it's just like that, you can leave that out, be on a shelf, I don't know, on a dressing table, wherever you want to be, and it's kind of hidden in plain sight. People just think, oh, that's a cool little box. And they're just wonderful. I mean, look at the colours. I've just put a bit of dirt on it there, but if I just do that, you'll see, I don't know if you're picking it up on the camera, but it's almost got like this glistening. It's almost like, if you know your silver pouring, I think it's called Leyden frost, when you get a silver bar and you can see like little crystals in it. And how cool is that? Look at that. And as I was saying, it's Nerd UK from our Stackers Social group. I'll put the link on the screen now, and he's 3D printing these. So if you do want one, join our Stackers Social and drop him a DM, because I'm sure he'll sort them out for you. And just look, they're just absolutely perfect. As I say, you can get 31 in this one, and it's not just this size, you do smaller sizes as well. This is a blue one, and he's actually customised this for me. He's put silver plunk on the side, and again you've got the Leyden frost decoration on the top. Again, this is a little 10 section one, so you can get 10 bars in that, little 10 gram bars. Well, and obviously they don't just have to be 1 grammers. You could have 2 grams, 2.5, 5 grams, 10 grams, as long as they fit in them, which they do. These are all standard sizes. You can get them all stored away, and as I say, you can hide them in plain sight. I mean, look at it, just look at it. It's just so, I'm just over the moon. Thank you so much, Nerd. They're just so cool. My camera's probably not doing it justice because the lighting's not that great, but and as I say, these are ideal when you're first starting out, or if you're looking to fill something up to take to your safety deposit box or your other location. This is the way to do it, rather than just having to take 1 bar down. Store them all at home nice and safely, and you know, it doesn't even look, people won't even think that's got gold bars in, is it? It's not like a monster box or a tube. It's not like these things where you keep your tubes of stuff in, and it's like, yeah, that's obvious what they are. You got a Royal Mint crest on that, and it's just like, yeah, this is the way. I'm sure, you know, I'm 100% sure if you're trying to save something at home before you put it into your deep stack or deep storage, these boxes are the way to go. So that's what I got for you today, and just look how cool they are. I just absolutely love it. 3D printed. I can't believe the finish. It's absolutely flawless. You getting that? And this little silver punk one, just fabulous. So I'd like to thank you again, Nerd UK. Go check him out. As I say, all the details are there and in the description below. I hope you have a great day.